Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good morning, happy Friday. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brendan Libby. We're developing a breezy southeast wind today. Gusts will be around 30 miles per hour, and that's going to help to fuel a return to some spring-like air. We get back to the 40s today. Winds remain strong through tonight, so our temperatures keep going up. Then tomorrow, winds come in from the south or even southwest, gusts around 35 miles per hour, and we get back into the low and mid 60s. And while it will feel a little bit like spring, we're also going to see a chance for some spring-like storms. Those become likely in the afternoon and evenings. Threat tracker elevated. There is a chance for some severe weather, which will break down here in just a second. By Sunday, we're closing out the weekend with quiet weather. We're going to be partly cloudy and cooler. Temperatures drop down to near 40 for highs. There is a slight risk of severe weather across the entire Hawkeye state just about, and that includes all of eastern Iowa. Our main threats with storms that develop will be generally damaging wind gusts. It's going to be the highest here on the scale, but we can't rule out some instances of maybe some large hail and also a few tornadoes. That's not out of the question either, as we'll have some spin within these storms. Let's go through the timing here first, and as we look on Future Track, cloud cover will be with us for today. These will mainly be in the upper levels of the atmosphere, so not a completely overcast or gray sky, but something that we'll be dealing with through today, but dry. It won't be until after 10 p.m. that a few scattered rain showers will develop. These will not be severe. They're light to moderate showers that will be on and off into tomorrow morning. Then this warm front is approaching. That will develop really round one of storms in our northern counties. We'll see that heading into the midday hours. And then round two will be in the early afternoon. This is around 2 p.m. You see the storms developing there. I don't think there's much of a severe threat here. Some storms could be on the strong side, though, so something to keep an eye on. That will roll from west to east pretty quickly, and they're already out by about 4 or 5 p.m. This is the main event right here, developing off of what we call a dry line. It's essentially a cold front, but instead of temperatures, it's more so a division between the really moist air and the dry air. So that provides enough lift for the storms to develop, and you'll kind of see them redeveloping at times as it pushes off of that dry line. So as we work our way towards about 5 to 7 p.m., there's the round of potentially severe storms moving into our western counties. That quickly moves to the east. So by about 8 p.m., it's already over the I-380 corridor. Reds indicating some heavy rainfall, and you notice that line, which will give us that potential for damaging wind gusts. By about 10 p.m., that line of storms is already pushing out to our east. This all moves through, so that pulls in the cold air. We're not going to see much in the way of snowfall or a wintry mix for the overnight hours. However, we'll see partly cloudy skies heading into the day on Sunday, and that will come with cooler temperatures as well. So just to recap the severe weather ingredients, we have that lift with the dry line that will push up that air and allow showers and storms to develop. Instability, that's the biggest question mark here. We're not going to see a lot of sunshine. This is what really makes those storms explosive and severe in nature. However, in the latest few model runs, that is trending up, and we're going to have some cold air above the surface that will really allow for that instability to develop. So that may turn into a green check mark here pretty soon. Moisture will have some of that. It's modest. We're going to have dew points in the mid-50s. You like to see them maybe a little higher, but it should be enough to allow those showers and storms to develop. And shear, that's how the winds change with height in both direction and speed. We're going to have plenty of that, so our storms will be allowed to rotate. They'll become supercellular in nature, and that's where that tornado threat will come into play, and storms can stay organized as they move through the area. So looks like we'll have these ingredients in place. And then, of course, as is the nature of March in the Midwest, things change pretty quickly. Monday, a chance for snow. Best chance of accumulating snow in the south, but lower chance up to the north, up to about Highway 18. So that'll definitely come with some cooler air. As far as today goes, high temperatures mid to upper 40s. It will be breezy, gusts around 30 miles per hour. Then tonight, temperatures are on the rise as scattered showers return, and stays breezy tonight as well. Here's your city-by-city forecast, and by tomorrow, low to mid-60s, so it will feel like spring, a little bit of humidity as well. However, we'll have that chance for storms, so please stay weather aware, and if you have any plans for the afternoon or evening, make sure you have a backup plan in place in case that severe weather rolls through. By Sunday, partly cloudy, highs near 40, And here's your 10-day forecast. We will be down to the 30s on Monday with that chance for snow, rebounding back to the mid-40s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and even Thursday. Sunshine there Tuesday and Wednesday. Next system comes in with rain and snow Thursday and into Friday, and then it's pretty cold after that. Lows drop down to the single digits heading into next weekend.